demonstration, we're going to be showing how UiPath and the Studio Designer, using a predefined template, can extract data from an invoice. And the trigger point is going to be a Google Drive folder. We're going to add an invoice to that folder, and the automation will automatically pull that particular location and then extract that document and send it into either UiPath Document Understanding or AI Document Intelligence from Azure. And at the end, it's going to write that information back out to a Google Sheet. So you'll see here at the top, we're going to basically look in my Google folder, the invoice location. We can then write that information to the console location. We're going to extract that information using document understanding. And you see here we have the predefined invoice extractor. And then it's basically going to drop the extracted data into a Google Sheet and then write a summary within that particular Google Sheet. And then it's going to go for each invoice, it's going to iterate through each one. So if there are more than one invoice in that folder, it's going to iterate through each one and create either a separate sheet or a different tab for each. And you can see that right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to test on cloud, and then in our folder within, we'll come in to our demo folder here into invoices, and let's just drag in an invoice. So we'll take a sample invoice here. I'm just going to use our typical Acme company, and we're going to copy that over. Okay, so if we now add that document to that demo folder, you're going to notice here it was successful picking that up. It's now extracting the information. We're going to use that Google file that I picked up, in this case the Acme Company invoice. You can see it extracted the data, wrote it to the console application, and now it's going to automatically save that to a folder. And if we come in here, we should see that Google Sheet. All right, the Google Sheet was now created. We'll open that up. You can see in the first tab is that summary information. The second tab, you'll notice how it extracted all the header footer, and the third tab is all the line item information. There's a quick example of how we can take and monitor a Google Drive for AP Invoices. Use the document understanding engine to automatically extract semi-structured data and then push that data into a Google Sheet. Thank you for watching.